Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox shorts. First, you need reliable screen recording software like OBS Studio or NVIDIA Shadowplay to capture your gameplay. Set your recording resolution to 1080 pixels and 60 frames per second for crisp visuals. During your play sessions, actively look for those funny or action-packed moments, as these are perfect for captivating short videos. Start by recording a variety of clips, giving you plenty of material to work with later on. Once you're recording, focus on capturing truly engaging content. Think about what makes a good short video. Often, it's a surprising moment, a quick victory, or a hilarious interaction. Don't just record everything. Consciously look for clips that could stand alone. Aim for individual segments that are concise, perhaps between 5 and 15 seconds long. These short, impactful moments are the building blocks of compelling short-form content. Now it's time to refine your footage using an editing program like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. The key here is trimming. Cut out all the dull parts and focus on the action. Your final short should ideally be between 10 and 30 seconds long for maximum impact. Consider adding a brief, punchy text overlay or a well-placed meme to amplify the humor or clarify a quick moment. Keep your edits sharp and your message clear. Sound is crucial for making your shorts engaging. Choose background music that complements your video's vibe, whether it's upbeat for action or whimsical for a funny moment. Don't forget sound effects. A quick thud or a bawing can significantly enhance a punchline or an unexpected event. Make sure to carefully balance all audio tracks, ensuring the game's sound, music, and effects all sound clear and well-mixed. This creates a more polished and professional short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.